In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unstake on Coinbase. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to tap, and how to choose between a standard or instant unstake so you can access your crypto when you need it. First, sign into your Coinbase account on the web or in the mobile app. Once you're in, head to My Assets, sometimes labeled Portfolio, and choose the specific cryptocurrency you've been staking, like ETH, SOL, or ADA. This takes you to the Assets Details page, where you'll see your balances and any earnings. In the middle of the screen, look for your staked balance or an earnings section. That's where you'll find the Unstake option. Go ahead and select Unstake. If you don't already have Coinbase on your device or you prefer using the website, I've placed the official website link and the app download links right at the top of the description for easy access. Next, enter the amount you want to unstake. You can choose a specific portion or select all if you want to withdraw your entire staked amount. Before you confirm, preview the unstake. This is important. The preview shows the estimated completion time and any potential fees. It helps set expectations and prevents surprises. Now choose your unstake method. Standard has no fee, but you'll need to wait for the underlying network to process the request. Depending on the asset, that can take a few days to several weeks. If time matters more than cost, Instant charges a 1% fee, but lets you bypass that waiting period so you can access your funds sooner. Review the details carefully and pick the option that best fits your needs. When you're ready, confirm the request. You may be asked to complete two-factor authentication, so have your code or authenticator app handy. Once submitted, your unstake starts processing. A few key points to remember. Unstaking is not always immediate. Many networks require a cooldown or unbonding period, and during that time you won't earn rewards and you can't sell or transfer those funds. For Ethereum specifically, you also have the option to convert staked ETH into CBF to get immediate liquidity without waiting for the unstake to finish. Also, once you initiate an unstake, you generally stop earning rewards on that amount right away. And if you'd like to prevent future purchases from being staked automatically, open the asset's staking details and toggle automatic earning off. That's it. You now know how to unstake on Coinbase with confidence. If this helped, consider sharing it. And as always, thanks for watching.